How to get Grubhub promo codes. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get Grubhub promo codes. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button. Now let's begin. So if you want to get Grubhub promo codes for discounts on Grubhub purchases, this is what you do. Open up your web browser. Simply head over to a website called Coupon Follows. So this is the website right here, couponfollow.com. And this is what it looks like. Tap on the search bar on the top right. Then search for Grubhub. Now this website not only has promo codes for Grubhub, but for other apps and websites as well. So from here, you can simply find coupons and promo codes for something for 50%. There you can see for $10, 25%. You can see a lot of different promo codes available. So you can choose one, whichever you want, and there you will see the promo code. You can simply copy it or redeem it at Grubhub. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.